What up everyone, this is Tommy and welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna talk about the gaming experience on this MacBook 14-inch with 8-core CPUs and 16 cores on the GPUs. We're gonna test both Windows and macOS game on this computer to find out if this one good for playing game. Let's get started. So I have tested 3 Windows games by running through Parallel 18. And the first game that I was testing is Battlefield 5. This game is known for high demanding graphic card as well as computer processors. It is totally understandable because this game brings the ultimate gaming experience from the reality of game scenario, characters and environment. So to make this game playable on Mac, I have dropped the settings to min and we play at 1920x1200 resolution. The game runs pretty well at the range of 20 to 35 FPS in overall, but of course we are still experiencing a lot of glitches, drop frame and lagging when the characters in action scenes and when the game needed to load new scenarios. The next game is Battlefield Bad Company 2. This is by far one of the finest games that I found running well under parallels. So I have set the graphics setting to low and play on 3600x2250 resolution. The game runs incredibly smooth at the range from 80 to 95 FPS. I'm pretty sure you can still have great experience while playing this with medium graphic settings.
Submarines are down there. Get over here. Quiet. Hurry up. Blow the door. Stand back.
The next Windows game is FIFA 22. This football game runs surprisingly stable on this Mac with medium settings. You can expect to get around 55 to 65 FPS while playing this sport game.
They remain locked together.
Well, that's a good save, but really he should have scored from there. That's a big chance.
Portillo. And Gonzalez has it. Oh, big chance. And it's there for him.
Alright, we have impressed with how well this machine handles Windows game, and now let's see what's going on with native games on this computer. First to mention is CSGO. The game is running super smooth and responsive on max graphics settings. You could expect to get around 55 to 70 FPS and up to 130 FPS if you decrease the graphics to medium. The second one is X-Plane 12, a famous flight simulator. This one also working amazing with full graphics settings, and you should expect to get around 50 to 70 FPS while flying. So you have seen the game performance on different operating systems. Now let me show you how much the Mac system needs to spend in order to bring that gaming experience. So on your left is a system start while playing Windows games, and on your right is a macOS native games. You can see we have a huge difference here. The system had to devote 50% RAM and almost 80% of CPUs to run the Windows games, why they just need a half of that to run the native games on Mac. The only match here is the CPU temperature. They only get over 75 Celsius while running the game, which is pretty high, and keep in mind, all the Windows games was playing on low graphics settings. Apple has made a major update on gaming experience when compared to their last model. On WWDC 22, they did introduce Metal 3, a developer tool which had to accelerate gaming graphics as well as rendering. Also, a lot of AAA games become available on macOS like Resident Evil Village, Tomb Raider, etc. Plus, Apple now update their MacBook screen to Retina with 120Hz, so I believe we could expect an outstanding performance on the next Mac. So, is this MacBook good for gaming experience? I think now you got the answer for yourself. But for me, I'm not a big fan of playing game on MacBook. I just found how easy to work with these computers and I love to carry it around. Full reviewing of this Mac will release soon, so make sure you subscribe to the channels. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.